How to redeem Starbucks promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're gonna find the search box, type in Starbucks promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, rethrift.com. Here you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Starbucks. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 40% off, $10 off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you wanna grab, just go ahead and click on the option of copy code. Once you copy the code, you can head towards the website of Starbucks. For that, you can open a new tab and then type in starbucks.com and search for it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your order and proceed to checkout. While you're on the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, your code will be redeemed. So this way you can easily redeem Starbucks promo codes. This was really simple and quick process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.